Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be looking at Microsoft Excel, and let's start with the menu bar. Sorry, the title bar. Can you see where it pointed to? This book one is the title bar. That is whatever you name your Excel. Maybe I want to save this now. Save as maybe I want to save it as test. Can you see? The title has changed to what test. So this place is called the title bar. While this place is called the menu bar. You can see we have a lot of menu here. We have the file, we have the home, we have the insert, page layouts, formulas, and data view developers. And you can notice that under this menu, we have sub menus here. All these are the sub menus of that is develop. But this one view, we have this how that you want the exact to look like. Maybe I want to break the page into two. Can you see that's changed? Or I want to put it on normal. Now let's go back to home page. Now you see your copy, cut, copy, format painter. This if you want to change the font style, if you want to change the font size, you click on this place. And this centralize, you want your word to be centralized. For example, let me type something. Man. Now can you see this word is in the middle? Now if I click on align to the left, I'm coming. Go back here. Align to the left. This align right. And this centralize. And if I want my text to go up a little bit, you click on this. That can only happen if this cell is big. Can you see? Bring it down, bring it to the top. Now that's that on that. Now on Excel, we have this place is called the worksheet. All this place is called the worksheet. That is the work area where you perform all your work. As you can see here, we have sheet 1. If you want to add another sheet, sheet 2, sheet 3. So now the first it can contain a specific work, while the second sheet will contain another one, and the third one. Now let's get back to the way we relate in classes. For example, uh, I want to give you a test and I said tear a sheet of paper, that is a sync paper, from your book. When the combination of sheets will form what? Will form book. Now all these places are called what? Workbook. All the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, they are called workbook. Why this sheet 1 alone like this would be called what? Worksheet. Sheet 2 will be worksheet 2, sheet 3 will be worksheet 3. So that's that on that. Now there are some constants we have. We know of certain that after 1 comes 2. After Monday comes Tuesday. After January come February. Now there are all these constants. For example, you have an input that states that you should type January. Before I forget, all these all like are called cells and they are labeled accordingly. Like this one now is, can you see this ash color is on A and the second one is on 2. So you start with the alphabet first. This place will now be labeled A2. For example, let's go to another one. This place will be labeled B2. Okay, let's go to another one. This place will be labeled what's B12. Okay, can you see anywhere you see the hash? E12. So that's on that. Now let's move on. For example, what I was trying to explain the other time, you want to write Sunday. Maybe the data they ask you to input contain all the days in the week. So you just write just only Sunday. Can you see? Sunday is here already. Then you come to this edge here, you drag it down. Can you see as I'm dragging, I can see something beside it: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, until you are okay. Saturday, then you leave it. Now you can see that this place is longer than the space that was allocated for this place. So you come to this place in between A and B to increase it, the size. You can increase it to any way you like, as long as it's situated. Now you can see that this text is aligned to the left. So you need to change it to make your work neater. That's based on choice. You put it on align to the center. Can you see? If you like, if your own likeness is sliders, you can just pick it. So or the method you choose will be okay. So that's that on that. Now for example, if I want to match these two columns together, D and E, yeah. So I'll just click and hold and drag. Then you come to here, merge and center. Can you see? It has been joined together. That's not what we want to do today. So that's that on that. Now let me just cite another example. One now. I've typed one. Can you see? One. I'll come back to this place. Then I'll start dragging. Can you say, thank God it shows something like this one. That this is not formatted. So you click on this on to fill option. Can you see? You copy cells means you should copy whatever is there to the remaining cells. But if you click on fill series, it's going to arrange it and it's going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? So if I keep stretching, it will continue writing until I stop. So I can just keep dragging it until I get to millions. It won't stop. So that's that on that. Now another example I want to look at is how to add numbers, how to make use of your formulas. Well, I'm going to show you in the next video how to add, how to subtract, how to divide, how to multiply, all those formulas, how to make your own formulas, how to get used to this Excel. So now let's look at inserts. For example, if I want to input a picture, I click on picture, insert picture, online picture. If you have any pictures online, or if you want to draw any shape, you click on shapes. Can you see different type of shapes? And the screenshot is just to take the shot of the screen, and it's going to save it in JPEG format. And see this chart area where we have bar chart, histogram, pie charts, and we have I've mentioned bar charts, no, bar charts, histogram, pie charts, and the likes. So that's that, and as you can see under bar charts, we have different type of bar charts. We have multiple bar charts and single bar charts, and we have 2-day column and we have 3-day column. Can you see? Can you see? Good. Now another thing we are going to be looking at. Can you see the lines here? That's the line graph. Now let's move to page layout. This page layout is talking about how you want your page to look like, the setup of your page. Everything is there. If you want to change the theme, you can change it. Can you see? Can use anyone you like, change it. If you want to adjust the theme to your own personal taste, just click on color, pick any color you want, and it will be done. Save. Now the size, that is the size of the paper you want to work with. A4, it matters a lot. Always go to this place and set it up. And another one is the break between two pages. That is when you are printing, you know you have a page. You can have more than one page. You can have 2 pages. You can have 3 pages. You can have 4 pages, as much as possible. And that's that on that. Now let's move to formulas. This where we have formulas, different type of formulas. Can you see a trick? Cos, different type of formulas there. So in case you don't know your formula offhand, you can just come to this formula tab and look for what suits what you want to do. See the auto sum is there, insert function, financial, logical, test, data, time, and lookup reference. So that's that, and say this one data. That is, if you want to input the data, maybe from web, from text, from other sources, system connection, all this is connected to the internet. Now, if you want to review your work, you come to this place to review it. Then to view it, you click on the View tab, and Developer is for advanced learning. So we are not going to touch that one for now. Thank you. See you in the next video. God bless you.